Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys all having a great time. In this video I'm going to show you that how we are going to use this zoom tool with this hand tool and also this rotate view tool. So let me show you how it works. So here I'm going to click on this rectangle shape and I'm going to make this rectangle over my artboard, and I'm going to click on the zoom. So when you click on the zoom, so here the plus icon appears. If I click on my shape, so here you can see I can zoom in. So if I click again, so again you're going to zoom in. So what if I want to actually zoom out from here? So if you right click, nothing is going to happen here. So how you can zoom out, you have to press Alt on the keyboard, and this minus icon is going to be appear here. So I need to click on the artboard, so you can see that now I can zoom out from my artboard. So also here we have this hand tool. This is kind of the same hand that when you're suppose that when you're going to be at a small room that there is no light available and you can't see anything, so you are going to use your hand to go around. So this is the same hand that we can use, but you have to press the click on the mouse so you can move around. So you can see if I'm pressing my first click on the mouse. If you own a laptop, so you're going to click on the using your touchpad, you need to press this first click, then you can move around. You can see that I can move around my artboard. Along with my artboard I can move anywhere. So if you create another artboard over here, so if you give a space between your artboards, so if you want to move around the artboards, so you need to use this hand tool so you can go around. This is also really useful. You can use it with Adobe Illustrator. So here let me click on the rotate view tool. So if I click rotate view tool, so here if I click here, you can see now it's going to give me option that I can actually rotate the view of my artboard. So here if I going to release this here, so you can see now this is change the view. The artboard view is now rotate. So here if I want to actually bring it back, so I can still use here. So I can't, if I press the shift, so it's going to allow me that I can actually go straight rotates. And also we have the second method. When you're going to click over here with this zoom hand tool, here one another thing you can see that if I click on the zoom, you can see this the zoom is appear here. So if I click on the hand tool, so the hand tool is going to be appear here. You can see this hand. And also here if I click on the rotate view, you can see this rotate view is going to be show up here, because we can change many more from here. So if I click fit on a screen, so this artboard is going to fit on the screen. So here if I click 300, you can see I can zoom in 300. It's going to allow me that I can choose numbers that I can zoom in inside the artboard. So if I click on the 3%, as you can see this 3% I'm zoom out from the artboard. So here also you can see this rotate view. If I am going to use this rotate, like if I put all my view, so here if I want to make it to 0, so you can see now this rotate view is show me that now it's all this rotate view is now resetted to 0. So if I go to minus 45, so 180 angles you can rotate your views. So if I click 180, you can see that it's going to rotate all the view 180. So how we can, so the important thing is that how we can use this tool. Sometimes it happens, guys, that when you design something and maybe you're going to need for this tool in your design, so you can rotate your views to see your design is if it's okay for you. So you're going to use this tool, especially this rotate view tool with Adobe Illustrator. By pressing Shift and H, also it's going to allow you. So here if I press Shift and H, so here you can see this is the shortcut way I can use. So if I click on this tool, so if I click Shift and here at this H, so it's going to allow me that I can rotate this view of my artboard using the Shift and H as well. So this is how we are going to use this tool with Adobe Illustrator. So hope you guys enjoy this video and this tutorial and you learn something. And if you have any question, so let me know in the comment box of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also if you want to stay tuned about our future videos, don't forget to press the bell icon on the subscribe button, so you're going to be notified about our future videos as well. So see you guys until next video.